2023, I enjoy the benefit of going through an executive checkup every year. One of the procedures of the executive checkup is an ultrasound of internal organs, of which I went through. And then after a whole day of exams, after some days, the results were in. And that's where I got to find out that I had. It made me worried, like, my God, what will happen to me? And it was really discomforting. But nonetheless, inside me was a desire to do something about it. So I've been hearing about. I'm Jess Pandrillo. I'm 64. I live in Pulumbolo, Angeles City. I started in June of 1986. So almost 40 years. The whole day I spend it at Holy Angel University. I'm the university registrar. So my daily work is to ensure that there is proper enrollment until the appropriate graduation of students. Well, I live an active life. I exercise. I do my treadmill. I do some weights. And that's basically the lifestyle I have. And that begins my day. In Holy Angel, I enjoy the benefit of going through an executive checkup every year. So specifically in 2023, one of the procedures of the executive checkup is an ultrasound of internal organs, of which I went through. And then after a whole day of exams, the results were in July of 2023. After the executive checkup at the medical city, I got to know the gallstones I have. One is 0.39 cm, the other one is 0.60 cm. When that news of me having two gallstones, it's something out of the regular. It made me worried. My God, what will happen to me? Or when this grows into centimeters, I was told by the physician, I could imagine because I had friends went through laparoscopy and some other procedures, and it was really discomforting. So I told myself, my God, I had to do something about it. Because I'm one person who wouldn't wait for pain to come. In anticipation, I would look for options. When there's a health issue, no matter how small it is, I need to do something because nothing feels good when you're healthy. It's a realization for me, but nonetheless, inside me was a desire to do something about it. So I've been hearing about barley during that time. So I got curious and I went to research, I went to stores, I went online to look for it. And fortunately, I had a friend who messaged me just out of the blue at my Facebook Messenger offering me this product. As soon as I saw it, I became curious of what I can take. I messaged him back and I said I want to try it. So I bought the first Salveo trial pack. Before bedtime, I drank it cold so it's very refreshing, and then that would give me like a good night's sleep. Upon waking up, I drink another glass of 3 scoops of it, and that starts my day. The next purchase I did was the jar. Salveo was a perfect timing. In the 2 years that I've been drinking Salveo, it has caused me a lot of good health results. It's something which adds up, and it's a perfect supplement. In about August also of 2024, what started out and what was found out to be 2 gallstones last year, ngayon, sana lang. And that was really a big relief for me. And all the more I said to myself that it's Salveo, barley grass, which caused this, and so I would still religiously take it. And then a year after, and that was just like about August of this year, yung isa, the result was like blank. Talagang, oh my God, hindi man traces at all. Kumbaga, completely healed. I'm completely free of my gallstone, and that definitely is some good news for me. With no effort, I didn't buy expensive medicine. I didn't go through the ordeal of laparoscopy. Nothing, actually nothing, except drinking religiously my Salveo. And with such easy effort, the results were really good. So, my God, I will continue believing in Salveo. I've been telling friends about it, and I would like to be a living testimony of it. Ako si Jess Pandrillo, at ito ang aking kwentong Salveo.